Going to Salzburg, guys, and going to Salzburg. What a foggy day. This is the feeling if you're malapit ka sa Alps. Pag nasa Alps area kayo, mga mountain, alpine mountains, ngayon talagang foggy palagi. Ayan po ebidensya. Good morning. Welcome to Austria. I don't know what part of Austria is it, but all I know, we're in a stopover from a long trip. So this is a wooden stopover area here behind my back. Behind me is a stopover area for all the tourists who are traveling around the earth. Some of the people, yung mga tao, some of the people na babiyahe, dadaan sa highway na to papuntang Salzburg. If you're going to Salzburg, you're gonna pass by here. This is a perfect place to stay, to stop over, so you can have a coffee, you can have a lunch or breakfast, whatever it is, what time we're gonna arrive here. This is a place for resting. So at this view, supposed to be, this is an Alps mountain area, but unfortunately it's foggy. So there's no thing I can see anything here because of the fog. I can't see anything. Nothing can be seen because of the fog. So let's get inside. Yeah. Look at this old stopover house with a lot of precious historical materials. Look at this, an old, I don't know, an old oven cooker, lumang oven cooker, and then look at the whole place. It's like an old-fashioned restaurant and coffee shop right here. Everything is old, and old. Everything is old. Yan, si mama ko nagpo-post, hindi ko pa kukunin. Kukunan ko siya mamaya. Tapos kung kunan yung balikat. It's an old cafe, I think. Historical. All of the things here are old stuff. Look at that, though. Old pictures, an old rooster upstairs. Look at there. An old rooster. Is that a fighting rooster? I don't know. Palagay ko fighting rooster yan. An old chicken. An unfinished food plate. Look at this. Look at the place. It's an old coffee house. A wooden coffee house. Grabe. Look at it. With an old pictures of Austrian people. Here, an old coffee shop. Everything is old. Hey. Oh, yeah. And look at the people. There are too many people crowded already. I think I need to go out. It's time for me to go out. A lot of people here coming inside. Yeah. Well, it's time to go out. Oh, it's a Buddha right here. Let's go another content outside. Now look at this one. An old, I don't know what kind of an old thing is this. I don't know what kind of a thing is this right here. It's an old, I don't know. Everything is old, right? An old coffee shop. An old lumber mill, I think. What kind of a thing is this? What's this? It's like an old, I don't know. What kind of a thing is this? Wow, it's nice.
It's to make wine.
Oh, it's to make wine. Oh. Okay, friends. This is an old wine maker. Yeah, behind me is an old wine maker. Right here. An old wine maker. Now, come on, let's go out. We go to the bus because we're going to Salzburg. And look at the view. I love the view. Behind me is supposed to be a mountain view downwards. But now it's a foggy air. No view. There's no view, just fog. A lot of fog. Now it's time for me to come back to the bus. There's nothing to see here as of the moment. And as I walk here, a lot of buses right here. A lot of buses. Going for tour. Daming tourists. Puro mga tourists lahat. No? These are tourist bus going to somewhere just like us. And these are all people touring right here. Bye-bye. Hello. I'm now walking here at Salzburg. Look at the castle. What a wonderful castle right here. The fortress. Kaya sabi ng tour guide, fortress daw. It's a castle right here. Look at that view. New shiny castle. It was restored, but it was built during the 1800s. 1800s, I think, yeah. But now it was restored. Kaya ang ganda niya. Look at this old market right here. Old market po to. Parang ano, look at the architecture. I love the architecture. Oh my god, nakabangga pa ako nagbabike. Thousands of cheese. May setup ng sound system. Wow. Look at this. May setup, oh. The old town here at Salzburg is a medieval Baroque town. So you can see the architecture. Beautiful architecture right here. It's a Baroque architecture. As you can see. Oh, look at that, a mosaic, I think. Huh? And wow. Look at this. What a wonderful sightings. Ang ganda ng ang ganda sa mata. An eye. Eye relaxing. Wow. This is the Mozart house. Oh, what a wonderful Mozart house. Tingnan natin ang pabuong buo. Ang ganda. Teka lang. Teka lang. What a wonderful view. A legend's house. Mozart. Right here. A lot of people wants to come inside. So let's see if we can come. This pictures of Mozart about his concerts and some of his paintings right here. Mozart's paintings. Very relaxing to see this one. And we have here, I don't think what is this. Like a Baroque period style. Mozart's see the surroundings, a lot of people are, maraming tao dito, eh. Too many tourists. Oh. Ah. And let's check inside the Mozart store. So this is what I bought, a sandwich, a local European sandwich. Where's my mom? Where is she? Oh, look at the people. Ma? And now, where are we? Where is she? Oh my God. People right here. Yeah. Architecture here in Salzburg, Austria. And there was a glockenspiel right here. Oh, what a wonderful painting. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, so wonderful. Wow. I love it. Gusto ko yung mga eksena, no? Para ka nasa Baroque period time. Alam niyo ho yung mga fairy tale. Ganito po yung eksena doon. Doon yata yung toilet. Hindi ko alam eh, tanong natin. At oh grabe, o tinan mo yung paligid doon, oh. Pasok tayo dito. Ano makikita? Ayan, oh, oy, grabe, oh. Medieval Baroque, napakaganda. Ay, makaka-relax sa mata. Pasok tayo. Yan, pagmasdan po natin, tinan mo yung mga bahay-bahay. Talagang na-preserve po ng Europe. It is well preserved. When it comes to European cultures, every historical parts of Europe is well preserved. The buildings, the roads, the culture is well preserved. That's why every tourist love to come in this country because of the preservation of the culture here in Europe. Yeah, once again, look at the surroundings. Wow. What a wonderful architecture. Baroque architecture. So beautiful.
Qué bonito.
Good. Look at this wonderful architecture. Ang ganda, guys, oh. Grabe, ito pa, simbahan yata to. Napakaganda, mga kaibigan. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa simbahan na to, pero ilalagay ko dyan maglalagay ako ng description dyan kung anong simbahan to. Basta ang alam ko, maganda to. Ang ganda. Look at the architecture, Baroque style. Baroque, medieval, lahat na. Para ka talagang nasa fairy tale. Well preserved ang Europe guys, well preserved pagdating sa kultura. Hindi nila pinapabayaan yan. At yun po yung sanang gawin sa atin sa Pilipinas. And as I walk here, amoy na amoy ko po ang mga dumi ng kabayo. Once again with this wonderful architecture right here. Talagang para ka nasa medieval time, oh. Yan po mga kaibigan, no? Grabe. Ang ganda, kinikilabutan ako sa ganda. Nakakaiyak ang kagandahan ng paligid. At yan, makikita nyo po talaga na-preserve din na fountain ng panahon din siguro ng Baroque era yan. Hindi nila pinabayaan. Look at that. Grabe, oh. Ang ganda, parang ito yung mga nasa picture. Sa mga poster mo nakikita, sa mga paintings, sa mga medieval paintings, no? At ayan po mga kaibigan, nalalakaran natin. Nalalakaran ng mga paa ko. Taken this kind of group, they have some free like here. I don't know what's inside. Let's take a look at this. Paul Finger. And once again, my idol, Mozart. He's my favorite musician of all time. Okay, let's take a look here. You can see here guys, these are parang demo, no? Parang anong tawag diyan? Nagde-demo sila, promotional booth. So at namimigay sila ng gummy bears. Ito po yung example ng gummy bears.
Yeah.
May kasama pa yan tsokolate, kanina galing doon. Kaso yung tsokolate banda ro na ubos, tinangay ng bagyo. tinangay natin lahat. Karamihan tayo. Pero masarap, no?
Makikita ko ba sa ano yan? Sa,
Opo, sa YouTube, sa YouTube.
Anong pangalan yan?
Siegfried's Journey in Life. Siegfried's Journey in Life. Siegfried's Journey in Life. Sulat ko po mamaya, bigyan ko po sa inyo.
Okay, so makikita niya ako.
Opo, makikita kayo doon. Lahat kayo dito makikita. Pati yung mga hindi natin kilala nakikita. Demo or a promotional booth by the Paul Finger Group of hindi ko alam kung ano to eh. Crane yata to, bulldozer, no? A big bulldozer right here. I don't know if this is a bulldozer or not. This is a promotion. You want to buy a bulldozer? Here it is. Is this what do they call this machine? What kind of a machine is this?
I don't know the English word.
It's a crane. It's a crane. Okay. Oh, I thought a bulldozer. Yeah. I'm just doing it in my content on my YouTube channel. Oh, what a wonderful. Yeah. Grabe. And after that, I got some chocolates right here. Ano po mga kaibigan, no? Look at this. Electric bus, parang tram, no? Now we're going here. Yeah. This is, I think it's still Danube River. Yan, no? Danube River pa rin siya. Mula Germany hanggang dito. Look at the architecture. Still a classic architecture. Medieval, Baroque, Renaissance. Sa ganun. Oh, see. Ayan. Ang laki nung tinapay, oh. Wow, tinapay. Yung mga nakikita nyo po dito is mga love lock daw yan. Ayan. Yung iba dyan may code, yung iba dyan nakasusi. Pag nagmahalan sila, ilalak nila yan, wala na raw kamatayan yung pagmamahal nila. Ngayon, pag naghiwalay, puputulin na nila. Babalik sila dito.
I-unlock.
Kaya unlock nila yung mga love lock nila. Hindi ko rin maintindihan itong mga European kung ano mga trip sa buhay. Ito, wala na to. Noong unang panahon pa to. Grabe. Look at the architecture.
17th century, but really crazy, bro.
What a wonderful architecture right here. Ang ganda. Bus or train? I think it's a bus, not a train right here. Look at that. Wow. Ang tagal umalis ng bus. Yes, the house of Mozart. There's a house of Mozart right there.
Now.
They bought an apartment right there. Kasi overcrowded na sila eh. There's the house of Mozart. You can see maraming theater dito sa may Austria. Like here sa Salzburg, hometown ni Mozart. Yan, theater again. Backstage theater. Ayan o, tinan mo, may mga props sa loob. You just cannot see it. Pero meron dong ano, merong mga props. Kasi ito yung country of arts. Dami dito, may mga shows, orchestra, mga Broadway, opera dito lahat. No? And yun, home of the arts. Country of arts. Kaya yan, ang ganda rito.